In this video we gonna know about how to download videos from YouTube without using any application. Before we entering this video, make sure you to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get many updates. Let's get into video. First, get into YouTube. Copy the link of the video. What do you want? Next, go to Chrome and type yt1s.com. Get into that. Paste the copied link here. Press the convert button. Now choose which format do you want, like MP3, MP4, 3GP. Next, get the link and press download button. So we will meet in next video, guys. Tell your ideas in comment section. It's bye from your Phoenix Networks.